Ever wondered how to reset filters in Power BI without removing your visuals? In this video, I will show you how the remove filters function works in DAX and why it is a game changer for your reports. Okay, Power BI filters control what data you see. Okay, sometimes you want to ignore those filters at least for certain calculations. That's where remove filters comes in. Okay, this function, what it will do, it will clears filters from a column, table, or even the entire data model. So your measure calculates as if those filters never existed. Okay, let's check the syntax. Yeah, the syntax is simple. That is, remove filters of column name or remove filters table name. And yeah, if you don't specify anything, it removes all filters from your data model. But usually, you will target just one column or table to keep other filters intact. Clear? Next. Let's say I have this sales amount measure. Okay. First, check the data. I have a table with region, product, and sales amount. Okay. And yeah, I have a sales amount measure here. Total sales is equal to sum of a sales amount. Then, if I select East in my slicer, you can check here. What happens here? Total sales only shows East region. If I select North, it will give only North region. For South, it will give South region. West, it will show the total sales for what? West region, right? But what if I want to measure that always shows the total sales for all regions, even if the user selects one? Correct. Look at this one. This is for all region. If I select East, it is 48,000, North 48,000, South 48,000, and West 48,000. Correct. So what happens here? Now, no matter what I select in the region slicer, this measure will still display the grand total of all the regions. What I did here, all region sales is equal to calculate of sum of sales amount, remove filters of sales region. So because of which what happens, we are able to see the total sales for all the region, even though if you apply the filters. Clear? Now, when remove filter is useful, like remove filters is perfect for first point is like creating percentage of total calculations. Okay, remember this. And second point is comparing filter results against all overall totals. Okay. And the third point is ignoring slicer selection in a specific measures. Clear? Yeah. One quick tip that I want to give here is remove filters is similar to the all. Okay. But it's more explicit and doesn't change table shape. Use it when you want to keep your DAX expressions clean and avoid, any side effects. Okay. And yeah, that's how we use remove filters in Power BI. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Power BI tips, and yeah, drop your questions in the comments below.